Every dollar begins long before ink ever touches paper.
Its journey starts under layers of control and trust.
Nothing enters this world unchecked.
Precision begins at the fiber level. And the transformation quietly begins.
Movement inside these walls is slow, deliberate, and watched. Movement inside these walls is slow, deliberate, and watched.
Even distance is measured in control.
Nothing moves without permission. The process climbs deeper into the facility. Here, blank material prepares to become currency.
Inside and outside, security is always present.
This facility is designed to be seen, yet never entered freely.
Every arrival is accounted for.
Even those who work here pass layers of trust.
All paths here lead back to production.
Before value is added, purity is restored.
Even what the eye can't see is removed.
Accuracy begins before ink.
Only what meets standards moves on.
Now, the transformation truly starts.
Ink meets fiber under immense pressure.
Each layer builds meaning, one pass at a time.
Time and air lock the ink in place.
Nothing escapes constant observation.
Here, depth and feel are formed. Value is something you can feel. Value is something you can feel.
Protection is layered with intention.
Stability is engineered, not assumed.
Now, machines take the lead.
Automation brings speed without losing control.
Every detail is measured in milliseconds. Uniformity is non-negotiable.
Order is created at scale.
From speed, the process moves to precision.
Precision is refined, not rushed.
Human judgment still matters.
Identity is confirmed one by one. Consistency is locked in.
Before approval, nothing is assumed.
Approval begins with verification.
Details invisible to most define authenticity.
Durability is engineered, then proven.
Every wrist must be at the exact.
Only then is value conformed. Protection continues beyond production. Volume is organized with precision.
Value waits under watchful eyes.
The journey continues beyond these walls.